This is your math coach to the rescue, and in this video I'm going to show you how to complete a ratio table. So we're going to be doing question 8 from the problems in front of you. Brian was showing Jacob how to mix the dog food. It's 3 cups dry mix to 2 cups of water. Complete the dog food mixing chart below. So whenever you have a table that you need to complete, first you need to make sure that you understand what the ratio is. And the ratio here in this problem says that for every 3 cups of dry mix, you must use 2 cups of water. So for every 3 cups of dry mix, you must use 2 cups of water. That's very important because that's going to be the number that you're going to be using, the numbers that you're going to be using to complete the table. So that is given right here on the table. Sometimes it is and sometimes it is not given on the table, but as long as they give you that ratio on the problem, you will be okay. So we have some numbers here and we have some blanks that we need to complete. So my next column says that I have 4 cups of water and I need to know how many cups of dry food. I don't know how many cups of dry food, but I know that the original recipe says that 3 cups of dry food equals 2 cups of water. So what I'm doing here, I'm taking this recipe and I'm gonna make it bigger. And how do I know I'm making it bigger? Because I'm going from 2 cups of water to 4 cups of water. So obviously I'm making my recipe bigger. How much bigger? How much is going from 2 to 4 is being multiplied by 2, because 2 times 2 is 4. Therefore I'll have to multiply my dry mix also by 2. And when I do 3 times 2, my answer is 6. So that's what you have to do. You have to figure out, is your recipe getting bigger or getting smaller? If the recipe is getting bigger, you're multiplying. If the recipe is getting smaller, you are dividing. So let's look at the next column. Now, the table says that I have 9 cups of dry mix and I need to know how much water is needed for this particular recipe. So I'm going back. My original recipe was 3 cups and now I have 9 cups. So my recipe increased by 3 times. So I'm multiplying by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. I'm going to do the same thing with the water. 2 times 3 gets me 6. So if I have 9 cups of dry mix, I'm going to need 6 cups of water. 6 cups of water. Next one, from 3 to 12, I am making it bigger. How much bigger? 4 times bigger. So 3 times 4 is 12 and 2 times 4 will give me 8. Next one, 10 cups of water. So originally it was 2, now it's 10. That means my recipe increased by 5 times because 2 times 5 is 10. So I'm going to do 3 times 5 is 15. And my last number says that I'm going to have 12 cups of water. So from 2 cups it went to 12 cups, increased by 6 times. I'm going to do the same thing with the 3. 3 times 6 is 18. So this is how we complete a ratio table. Remember, if your recipe is getting bigger, we are going to multiply. If your recipe is getting smaller, we are going to divide.